Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Muzammil Yaqub, lecturer Department of Technology and your instructor for this course, which is Computer Aided Building Modeling and Design. So dear students, in our today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about computer graphic softwares in detail, and in our second part of lecture we will discuss about functions of a graphic package, and in the last part we will discuss some common functions. So let's start our lecture. So what is graphic package functions? So basically, to fulfill its role in a software configuration, the graphic package must perform a variety of different functions. For example, these functions can be grouped into different function sets. Each set accomplish a certain kind of interaction between the user and the system. User is the person who are using the software or the CAD, whatever the platform he is using, and some common function sets are listed over here. So the first one is a generation of a graphic elements. Second one is transformations. Then comes display role and windowing functions. The fourth one is segmenting functions. The fifth one is user input functions. So let's go through them one by one in detail. So the first one, as we discussed, general generation of graphic elements. So basically it is a visual communication, artistic expression of a concept and ideas using various graphic elements and tools. Or in other words, it is a combination of various elements like lines, shapes, colors, type, texture, different displays, qualities or properties, etc, etc. Or if you want to sum up the definition of generation of a graphic elements, you can say a graphic element is a computer graphic which is base base image entity such as dot, line, segment or circle, etc. So this is the, all about generation. So let's move towards the next function, which is transformation. Transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. We can have various types of transformations, such as the common transformations are such as translation, scaling up or down, rotation, sharing, etc. Over here in this picture you can see how transformation is done. The different points on the graph are shown, as you can see. So there are main four types of transformations. So the first one is translation, then rotation, third one is reflection, and the last one is dilation. Transformations are used to change the image on the display screen and to reposition the items in the database, right? So this is how transformation function works, and transformation is the second common function of a graphic package. The third one is display control and windowing functions. So display is a list of series of graphic commands that define an output image, or in other words, display list can represent both two-dimensional or three-dimensional scenes whatever the dimension user are working with. Windowing is the process of transforming coordinates from one space to another. It is used when scaling and transforming the view of a program. For example, when you zoom into an image, the original image data is transformed to fill the current screen, right? So this is how windowing function works, and it provides the user with the ability to view the image from the desired angle and at the desired magnification. So basically these two functions works together, display control and windowing functions, and this is the third common function of a graphic package. So let's move towards the next one, which is segmenting function. Segmenting functions allow to organize display files in sub-picture structure. It allows to apply different set of attributes to different portion of a image. It makes it easier to picture or by changing or replacing segment, and it allows application of transformation or selected portion of an image. In simple words, it provides user with the capability to selectively replace, delete, or otherwise modify a portion of an image. So this was about segmenting function, which is the fourth common function of a graphic package. So let's discuss the last one, which is user input function. So they are made for users, right? As the name suggests, user input. So user can save the given data of function to a specific order or to a specific data input. In other words, they permit the operator to enter command or data to save system, and the last function, the entry is done by means of the operator input devices. So dear students, this was all about common functions of a graphic packages. So in our next video lecture we will go through some different functions or other different functions of CAD system or graphic packages. So till then, stay safe and Allah Hafiz.